Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? You okay? Yes, he's okay. Today we're going to play with some special dough. This dough has tiny bits of glitter in it. Oh, amazing. Alright, let's start. What should I do? I have dough. What do you do with dough? Pizza? Pizza dough. But now we have some dough that we can play with. Let's see, what colors do we have? We have blue, red, green, orange, yellow, and pink. Or is it purple? Purple. See, it looks like purple. Look at that. And purple. Purple, yellow, green, orange, blue, and red. Purple, yellow, green, orange, blue, and red. I just made a song. Alright, let's take the dough out and let's see the glitter. Ooh la la. What do we have in here? Some dough with glitter in it. Look at that. Can you see the glitter? Tiny bits of glitter. Can you see it? Wow. Alright, we have the blue one, the red one, the yellow one, green, orange, and purple. Alright. Oh, and look at these leaves. They have some patterns in here. And they look like animals. What animal is this? A cow. What about this one? A cat. What about this one? A chicken. A bunny. Another chicken. And a pony. Look at that. We have 5 different animals because we have 2 chickens. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's try to make the bunny with some green dough. Let's see if it works. I'm going to place the dough in here. Alright, now take it out. Oh yes, it worked! Look at that!
Good job.
Isn't this really cool? And now the chicken with some purple dough. Okay, now let's take it out. It worked! We have a chicken, a purple chicken. And now let's make a red one. A red chicken. Let's take it out. Ta-da! A red chicken. And now, an orange cat. Look at this cat. This is really cool. And now, a blue cow.
Oh, wow!
Ta-da! We have a blue cow. And the last one, it will be a yellow pony. Let's see. Haha, look at that. A yellow pony.
It's beautiful.
Nice. We have a blue cow, an orange cat, yellow pony, red chicken, purple chicken, and a green bunny. Wow! Oh wow, look at this glitter. Just look at it. Ooh, glitter. Shiny. What should I make? Fruits. Let's make some fruits out of shiny glittery dough. Alright, with red. Red fruits. Red. Apples.
Yummy.
Orange, orange, orange. What kind of fruit? I don't know any orange fruit. Orange, orange is a fruit. All right, let's make an orange. Oh, let's make a bigger one. It will be bigger than the apple.
Yummy. Delicious.
Yellow, yellow fruit. Banana, of course. Let's make a banana. This looks like a banana, right? Banana. What else? What else? With purple, I'm going to make some grapes. Okay. And now with blue, I'm going to make some blueberries, of course.
That's delicious.
And with green, I'm going to make a green apple. A smaller one. We have a red apple, an orange, a banana, some grapes, blueberries, and a green apple. Very, very nice. We'll make an ice cream. And here we have an ice cream and fruits. Oh, this apple.
Oh, wow!
An ice cream, fruits. We have animals. Oh, this was fun.
Good job.